Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to start making money online with affiliate marketing even if you have no experience, no audience, and no results. Okay, how you can make your first $1,000, even $10,000. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how to start making money online with affiliate marketing, even if you have no experience, no audience, not result. There is no excuse. You can start making money if you put the work. The very first thing that you need to take into consideration is that you need to have a product. Okay, you need to have a product. If you are not promoting any product, you're not going to be making any money. Okay, the other thing is that you need to own the product that you promote. Okay, I know a lot of people are telling them out there like you can make money online without any kind of investment, right? But to be honest, if you don't own the product, if you haven't tested out, how are you going to become the expert? Why people are going to jump into that product? It can be a course, it can be a software. Why? It's like me. If like let's say that I'm referring you to a restaurant, I'm telling you like, hey, go ahead to the restaurant XYZ, the best food ever, and you decide to go ahead and have a great dinner with your special someone, and then you text me like, hey Diana, I'm here. What's the best dessert? I'm like, I really don't have any idea which desserts do they have available, if they do have any. So it is the same here, except that this is going to be digitally, right? So you need to own the product, you need to test it out, you need to learn it. I really learn it, not just scan it, but learn it inside out. To be honest, sometimes you need to invest a little bit money to make money. Okay, if you do not have the confidence to buy the product, why do you think that someone else is going to buy it from you? People knows. So you need to take that into consideration. You need to own the product. Hey, you need to own the course that you're going to be referring. You're going to need to own the software that you're going to be referring. Test it, learn it, and promote it. Okay, you need to go to the product. Okay, what I mean by this is that you need to be asking questions if there is some doubts. You need to get knowledgeable about the product. You need to understand it, and you need to take into consideration that since you're going to be the expert, people are going to start asking questions to you about the product. Hey, you can have a blog, you can have a YouTube channel, you can have your own Facebook group, even on your Instagram account. People are going to be asking like, hey, I want to know, is this product work for this? Can you give me a little bit more feedback about this course? Let's say that you're selling a supplement, right? I want to know if I can achieve this goal by taking this supplement. People are going to be asking questions, so you need to be the expert, the go-to person. Also, this was kind of difficult to me, but you need to be on the social networks. Okay, you need to be on the social networks. If you don't have a Facebook profile, go ahead and create a Facebook profile. If you don't have an Instagram account, go ahead and create an Instagram account. Even if you love Twitter, go ahead and use Twitter. Start adding friends that are in your niche, right? What are you gonna put here? You're gonna start documenting your journey. Okay, that's it. You're gonna start documenting your journey. Hey, let's say today I'm gonna be building a landing page. Today I'm took the first scoop, this first glass from this supplement. This is how I feel. What you have learned. You can share your story. Really important, like, hey, why did you start this journey? Maybe I don't know, this business opportunity because I want to earn another extra another $1,000 extra per month. Or, I'm actually taking this course because I want to master this skill, and with this skill, what I'm thinking about doing is maybe I'm gonna, I don't know, open a digital agency so people can benefit from my service. Or I enroll into this membership area because they have the best workouts, and actually I want to lose some weight. I want to, burn fat. I don't know. I want to get ripped. I don't know. It's gonna be your story. What happens if you have an epiphany moment? Go ahead and share it. If you have some struggles, be real. Be real. We are all human. We are all real, and our life is not perfect. Really, really important, as I mentioned. What's your goal? What are you trying to achieve? When are you trying to achieve? People love these kind of things because people relate with people. This also help create the love, like, and trust factor, because there might be someone, right, who is going to be related to you because maybe you are on the same level, or maybe that person it's one step below to you, and he or she is looking into you as a role model. Maybe that person is not going to be identified with the guru, right, with the person with 100,000 followers, 1 million followers, but he or she is going to identify with you, with your character, right? Like, what are you trying to do? Really, really important. Implement. You need to implement the course. You need to use the software and create something. Okay. Again, how are you gonna refer someone to a product or service if you haven't used it? Show people what you are doing, right? What they can, they can achieve. Be real. Be an open book. Do not be scared to share your struggles. Even here on my YouTube channel, I challenged myself not so long ago to reach 1,000 subscribers on a week. At that time, if I'm not wrong, I was missing 400 subscribers or something like that to reach 1,000 subscribers. I was honest. I created another video sharing my results. What did I learn? I failed drastically on that video. Well, on that goal, I shared drastically, but I learned a lot of things. I share what I learned. I share the system that works and the other methods that did not work, so people, can apply what I learned and they can avoid my mistakes. So be honest, again, be real. We are not perfect, okay? We are not perfect, and that's okay. Share your results with other people if they are good, if they are bad, if they are so. You need to go ahead and share your results. If you don't have any kind of result, don't worry. You can share others people's result, okay, and you can share your results when you get them. Let's say that you're in the weight loss industry and you're just starting out, I don't know, this kind of workout routine, something that people say that they can lose, I don't know, 5 pounds per week or every 2 weeks. I'm just making it up, okay? So if you're not getting any result because you're getting started, today is day one, you can explain them like, hey, let's say, hey, today my name is Castillo, how are you guys doing? I'm actually, I don't know, testing out this magical shake. I'm also testing out these workout routines. People actually says that you know they're able to lose up to 5 pounds per week, and I want to see if that's actually working out, because my goal is to lose, I don't know, 20 pounds in the next 3 months. Again, I'm just making it up, right? So I don't have results, right? Because today is my first day. So I'm going to do like, hey, let me show you here some results, some testimonials for other people who are using this, right? Or they have used this in the past. So you can check it out. Boom, boom, boom. I put the video, I put the images depending on what the product has, right? Also, it can be any kind of results, any kind of transformation. Maybe you change your mindset. Maybe right now you don't have like an scarcity mindset. Maybe you learn a lot of things. Let's say that you're using a software. Hey, you learn how to create your first landing page. That's your result. Hey, here I am. I created my first landing page. It took me a week, but it's here. It's working. I'm getting leads. You're not getting sales, but you're getting leads. Hey, I'm getting leads. I got, I don't know, 1 lead per day. It can be any results, any transformation. Again, shares what worked and share what doesn't work. Keep it real. People love that. You need more social proof, so you are going to keep sharing your results. You can do this on a daily basis, depending on the product that you're promoting. You can do this on a daily basis, or maybe you can do this once a week. You can also do interviews. You can leverage others people's authorities, right? If there is someone in your niche that you are admire, that you have been following, and he or she is the reason why did you decide to purchase it, right? Hey, don't be scared, don't be afraid to ask them for an interview. Okay, take action. The worst scenario is that they're gonna say no, but you're gonna be impressed. This happens to me. You're gonna be impressed. People are actually real, and they're gonna say yes. They're gonna be really happy to help you, right? So you can do interviews. Maybe you can try to reach people. If you have a Facebook group, if you have a YouTube channel, it's gonna work great. Keep it real. Share your wins and share your loss. What is work, what it doesn't work. What is your journey? What's the stage that you are at? It's really, really, really important. Again, you're gonna be impressed of how everything changed, quote unquote, overnight. But it doesn't happen overnight. Yes, it's way faster than a regular offline business, right? But if you keep being consistent, if you put the hours, if you're passionate about what you're doing, you're gonna get results, and you're gonna be really, really impressed. Okay, so follow this, and I can guarantee you that you're gonna be getting results, even if you don't have any sales, any experience, any audience. And take into consideration that results can be anything from creating your first funnel, creating your first email sequence, decide which product are you going to promote. You can document everything, right? You can document everything from how did you decide the niche that you're going to go with, how did you decide the product, if you're going to create the landing page, if you're going to do the email sequence. Maybe you're going to use the email sequence that the affiliate program provides you. Maybe you are going to create your own, right? How you do the follow-ups if you're getting leads. The first lead it can be a win. Maybe you were invest on paid traffic, but things did not go as you planned. Maybe you go and do some tweaks, and everything seems to be getting better. When you get your first sale, that first sale, it's magical. It's changed everything. I always mention this. When I got my first sale, I was Wonder Woman. Okay, I was Wonder Woman. And it's really excited. People like to see these kind of things. People like to watch what other people are doing, how's their journey. Maybe they're a little bit skeptical about buying the product that you're promoting, or jump into the business opportunity that you are in. But because you are sharing all this information, right? And at the end of the day, this is content. People love to consume content. People, by the content that you put out there, people are gonna create a relationship with you, right? So you never know who is in the fence. You never know who is there watching. But you need to take action. You need to believe that this is possible, and this is possible, right? And by the way, if you want to learn more about this, more about affiliate marketing, I'm gonna leave a link below to it's gonna be my #1 recommendation, the course that actually helped me with everything, from changing my mindset to create winners, landing pages, email sequence, everything. I'm gonna leave the link below. Again, you need to believe this is possible. Don't quit. Take action. Be committed with your success. Well, I hope you find this information helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.